Hi friends, I am Kasturi Sanap and I welcome you all to this session where we can discuss about the job profile of a RBI Grade B officer. The Reserve Bank of India consists of more than 30 departments with close to 400 RBI Grade B job profiles. Clearing the RBI Grade B entitles you to work in various departments, right from RBI's central office, which is located in Mumbai, or in the regional offices, which are mostly located in the state capitals like New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc. You can see the complete list which is available on the RBI's website. The nature of work of an RBI Grade B officer will differ from department to department. Central office departments are mostly engaged in overall supervision of related functions, that is, to coordinate with the concerned department of all regional offices. It is mostly a desk job, and a lot of correspondence is there with the state governments, central government departments, and various RBI regional offices. The central office department are headed by a principal chief general manager, and they are assisted by one or three chief general managers depending on the workload of that particular department. All these officers are those who had joined as RBI Grade B officers. The regional office is headed by regional director, who is a CGM, that is Chief General Manager level officer. Their rank is equivalent to Chief Secretary or Secretary of State Government. Let's see the RBI Grade B office working hours. The officers get work hours that are not very stressful. There is a probation period of 2 years before the final appointment. A RBI Grade B officer works 5 days in a week and it is a typical 9 to 5 job. Let's have a look at the roles and responsibilities of RBI Grade B officer. The first responsibility is ensuring nation's financial stability. The RBI Grade B officers need to work towards keeping the inflation under check and ensure that adequate supply of liquidity of the productive sector is taken care of. This is an important factor to maintain the financial stability of the country, and RBI officers are responsible for smooth functioning of the same. The officers are entitled with enhancing the confidence of publics in the financial system of the country and make them use the cost-effective and new technology services provided by the bank to its customers. The second responsibility is currency issue and circulation. RBI issues the coins and currency, and RBI Grade B officers are responsible for its circulation to various nationalized banks under the ambit of RBI. They are responsible for smooth functioning of the currency to the subordinate units of RBI and take note of the same. The third responsibility is management of government accounts. They are also entitled with managing the state and central government accounts by performing various merchant banking functions for them. So do you find the work of a RBI Grade B officer interesting? What are you waiting for? Start your preparation for RBI Grade B exam today. Do let us know if you like the video or you have any suggestions. Comment below in the comment section or connect with me at kasturi.sanap@gmail.com. Thank you.